As a follow-up to the video I did yesterday talking about intent, I had a conversation this morning with an intent-based network called Magnetic. We've been running some test campaigns with Home Reserve with this network. We spend $5,000 a month. Now this is intent-based targeting, which means that let me just show you how they explain it. What they're trying to do here is they're trying to find the audience that's looking for the types of things that we have. And so this is kind of the way they do it. A lot of searches start within search engines. They're in bullet number 1. And then they don't just search there, they visit related sites and they reach out to their social network. And so this is where the magnetic data capture is. On point number 2, all those other sites and all those other searches. And then as they continue that thing, return to the web, they see the ads, and then those same people get targeted and see the retargeted ads, and they visit the website, and then the retargeting continues. But this was a really interesting slide. 35% of searches happen outside the major search engines. So that's kind of the pool of the audience that these intent-based targeting tools are trying to get after, is the people that would not be reached with the PPC, couldn't say that yesterday, and the search campaign. So it's kind of like a 35% of a larger market. And then also, in one of the videos I had done earlier, I talk about how even if you do get your ads in front of the people that have searched on Google, the problem is that you've only got like a 5 to 15% click-through rate. So you can see you're missing a lot of them there, as well as missing just a lot of them with all these other searches. So there's just that huge intent-based pool that we're trying to get in front of. So that's what this network does. So once we find the audience, we try to reach them everywhere and anywhere. And that just talks about the display ads, the brand safety, and they also do some cross-device stuff using their Tap Ad partnership. The Tap Ad is actually trying to find folks that are making cross-device transitions without being logged into Facebook and Google or whatever other networks. They're actually trying to put those pieces of the puzzle together. This person just did a search on a mobile device, and now they're at their desktop. And so let's show them these ads. So there's cross-device going on here in these intent-based networks. This is a little bit about why Magnetic works. This is the internal algorithm that Magnetic is using to drive the ads for Home Reserve, the intent terms, the lifestyle terms. This is stuff that their algorithm has discovered. That's the suggestion that for an ad spend. And this is stuff we're actually doing. We have active campaigns, so I've sent them over a bunch of different creative tests, and their algorithms are running the creative tests, and we have a couple landing page tests going on. So these things there's a lot of management going on, but it really opens up a nice larger chunk of the market, and we've definitely seen increases in revenue. Now I'm also going to do a video right now, and I'll make that another one, on native advertising, those suggestion, and I'll tell you about that in a minute.